Isn't this a fantastic website where you can create any number of worksheets and make your child, work on mathematics or increase the mathematical thinking? Hello, parents. Now, many of you might be having this thing like exams are over. Now, what should my child do? Or if you're having that the exams are coming up, what worksheets can I create and give? And I'm going to share a fantastic website with you all where you can generate many kinds of worksheets and also print it out and make your children work on it. This is a treasure website, I'll tell you, and I want you to use it in a fashion that is more suitable to you. I'm going to introduce this website to you, how to use it, what you can do. However, contact me or take advice of which sheets, which topics that you have to concentrate on for your child at this current moment, and then take. Just like what do you say, medical advice, right? Of course, generically, we can take on the counter medicines, but then for specific cases, we take the advice of the physician and then take. Just like that, this is also. You can contact me for what kind of worksheets, what topics worksheets your child might be needing now, and accordingly generate the worksheets using this website and then give it to your child. And this is how you can make them independent learners of mathematics, and that is my objective. Let's go and see the website. So this website's name is worksheetworks.com, right? Worksheetworks.com. And there are millions of worksheets that you can create out of this. First of all, I want to introduce you to the mathematics, the main topics, mathematics, English, geography, and puzzles, and also miscellaneous. Now, if I say if it is holidays, you might try to see what is the puzzles that you can give to your child. If it is academic, months going on, and you want your child to practice little more on mathematics, you can go to these topics. So let's see mathematics topics itself. Numbers and number systems, beginning math, basic math facts, like this, right? So now you can, and also word problems. If you see, many people have this, my child needs to get more practice in the word problems. So here it is, right? Now, cross number puzzle and everything. Now, for everything, I'll not be explained to you more. However, I want you to explore each of these topics. Even for, like, let's say you have math, multi operation math maze. If I click on this, I will come here to this place where this will give me options to select so that I can make this worksheet. Means, first of all, what is this? It gives you a understanding about what is this multi-operation math means. What is it actually? It explains this here, and it gives you a sample how it looks. Means it's like a maze and it has operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. It has some operations. So basically, if you see the answer key here, right? Answer key also, answer key here. This is how the maze we go, no? We go and reach to a destination. So basically, they start from here and then doing all the calculation, they go and come to the outside. So this is how it is. So this way it's fun for them as well as they're doing mathematics. And now the maze, how many cells should it be there? 9 cross 9 means 9 rows and 9 columns. Do you want like that? You can select that. Do you want 9 cross 9 or 10 cross 10? Like that, you can select. So progressive learning way, if you go, you can start with a 5 cross 5. Means start from smallest complexity and go higher. And what all operations should be include? Addition. Just addition means it will include just addition. Or you want all the four means it will include all the four. If you're focusing on their addition and subtraction skills alone, then you can remove this multiplication and division by clicking like this. And difficulty level. If you see here, it is easier here, it is harder here. Based on it, you can select what you want to do, right? Then, do you want the path leads straight to the exit, means it is easier, or path may split off and lead to dead ends also. So different paths also is possible, it is harder. So what do you want to do you want to make it easier in the beginning? Okay, we'll give it easier. Then this is a paper size. If you want to print out, it'll be US letter size or A4 size. I usually select A4 size because most of the papers are A4. And then I say click create worksheet. So now it has created the worksheet based on the specifications you are given. And now you click on this, it will download. Once it is downloaded, take that sheet and print it out. Okay. Now, if I come back and see some other thing, right? Now they have many topics here, many topics here. Now, if I go for word problems, I click on word problems. Then it asks you what are the different things you want. Basic math operations. Do you want addition word problems? Do you want subtraction, multiplication, or division? Do you want like this, separately word problem worksheet? Or do you want multi-step word problems? Two steps are there. Addition is there and multiplication is there. Things like that. Do you want what kind of a thing? Or do you want probability kind of, different probability and compound statements, permutations? Do you want for word problems for those topics, or you want calendar kind of word problems? So if we go like this, we can select. Now, if we select two-step word problems, then it will tell you what is the two-step word problem means. Means it has addition and then subtraction, addition then multiplication. It has like these. So if I'm selecting subtraction and then division, it will also give you some sample worksheets here that you can enlarge and see. Okay, you can understand that. Now you can select what you want. Numbers means, do you want like only the digits kind of a thing, or do you want words and digits, or it's always only words? What is the type of numbers that you want in that word problem? Okay, so if you say mixed things, so that what happens, children will know about the number names also, numbers, right, digits also. Do you want to give extra information in that word problem? Usually what happens, only the required information is given. Then children take those numbers and they don't even think about, do we need that information or not need that information? So this is asking that, do you want values that is needed only for the problem, or do you want to give some extra information just to make your child think and not to get confused, or do you always want some extra information so that children will pick up the right information required to solve the problem? And do you want answer with units? Do you want it like this, or do you just want them to, write on their own, or do you want to give that, units place, that the units we want to specify to them, or like that? What kind of answering you want? Here coming again to what is the size of the this one, right? So in this way, you can create the worksheet. You can create the worksheet and download it. Now coming to puzzles. Again, if it is holidays, many such word searches, mazes, and addition squares, cross number puzzle, math problem search. For example, math problem search, if I see what is happening, here is a numbers grid, and I can search for a addition statement or subtraction statements here. For example, if you see here, 7 minus 1 is equal to 6, 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. So in this way, you can make them creatively think about mathematics. This, they are doing mathematics only, but then they are having fun. It is not like the normal problems that is there in their school work. In this way, each parameter, each thing has its own, each kind of worksheet has its own parameters that you have to select. Once you keep using it, you will know what you have to do about it. Okay? Once you will keep using it, you will know what is the way. So, however, select some parameters and then download and see how the worksheet looks. If the worksheet is not the way that you want, go ahead and before printing itself, change the parameters and then you can do. Then coming to the last thing, you can also use it for many other reasons like English and geography and all of those things. Okay. The important point is children are engaged in mathematics all throughout the year without exception of any day. Because when children don't do mathematics during the holidays, what happens? They undergo something called as a summer math loss. I have talked about this in other my other videos. Go check it out. However, let's make our children thinking or mathematically thinking throughout the year. So, in that way, we keep them ready for learning new things as soon as the next academic year starts. Isn't this a fantastic website where you can create any number of worksheets and make your child, work on mathematics or increase the mathematical thinking? Now, one more thing is there is answer key also coming along with the sheets. So I would recommend you all to print out only the question paper in that thing and keep the hand answer paper as your reference so that you can use it to see whether your children have done that puzzle or the problems correctly. Enjoy using this website. And until the next video, see you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such fantastic, useful mathematical videos that can help you make your child an independent learner of mathematics. See you then. Bye bye.